Hey guys, I want to show you how to draw the energy level diagram. So let's get started. All right, first of all, you're going to have 3 different columns. And although they will not be labeled, I'm going to go ahead and label them for you so that you know what they are. My first column is going to be the S subshell. My second column is going to be the P subshell. And the third one is going to be the D subshell. Alright, so I'm going to start with the lowest energy level and then keep going. To help me with that, I'm going to use the periodic table. If I were reading this from top left to the bottom right, I would have to go through hydrogen first. I know that this is going to be in the 1s, and I know I have 2. So I'm going to write 1s. Over here, the 1s, that's going to represent the 1 orbital that I have in the S subshell. Now, if we keep going here in the periodic table, this is 1s. Now you're down here. This is going to be 2s. So I'm going to go ahead and write that right above it, still in the S subshell, so 2s. Now, if we keep going, this is 2s. Right here, this is going to be 2p. And again, we have 1, 2, 3 orbitals. So I'm going to go ahead and do 3 dashes. 2p is right above 2s. I'm going to put it in the middle column. And I know I have 3 lines because it has 3 orbitals. Let's keep going. Right here we have 2p. Now if we keep going, this is going to be 3s. It just has 1 orbital. So I'm going to do 1 dash on the left column. And 3s, the energy level is above 2p, so it's going to have to be a little bit above 2p in this left column. Let's keep going. We said we were in the 3s. Now over here, this is the 3p, and we have 1, 2, 3 orbitals, and it is above the 3s as well. So I'm going to do 3 dashes. Right here in the middle column, it is right above the 3s, and I'm going to do 1, 2, 3 dashes. Each of these represents the orbitals, so it's going to be 3p. Let's keep going. We have 3p, and now over here, this is going to be 4s. We know that 4s only has 1 orbital, so I'm going to do a dash right above the 3p over here in the s. I am right here in the 4s. Next, I hit the D subshell, and this is the 3rd energy level. The 3D is right above the 4s, and I know I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 orbitals. So I have 5 orbitals, so I'm going to do 5 dashes, and it's going to be on my 3rd column. Again, it is right above the 4s. All right, I just wrote my 3D, so I wrote 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dashes because I have 5 orbitals. So let's keep going. After 3D, you have 4p, and you have 1, 2, 3 orbitals. So that is going to be my 4p. And that is above 3D. You should also know that the 3D, the D subshells, are close in energy levels to the P. So I'm going to do my spacing just a tiny bit closer. Again, it's going to go in the middle because this is where my P subshells are going. And it's going to be above the 3D. Now my next one is going to be 5s. So I'm going to do 1 dash on the left. And it has to be above the 4p. Okay, so that is the basics on how to draw an energy level diagram. I'm going to go ahead and erase the column lines because those don't actually exist in our diagrams. Those are just to guide us. Okay, so this is how you draw your general energy level diagram. Let me know if you have any questions.